Let's pack today's lunchbox for my teenage son and some of his friends. This day, my son had asked for something super simple, so I decided to make him some tortas asada. So I marinated my tri-tip and then I put it on the flat top until it got nice and crispy. The reason I say some of his friends is because I'm gonna pack some extra tortas, that way he can just share it to whoever is with him. Because I'm the type of person that if I'm eating, so are you. And if I have lunch money and you don't, well, you do today. So I'm gonna slice up some teleras and then I butter up my buns, make sure they get nice and crispy, spread some beans on one side of the telera, and I added some pepper jack cheese, the carne asada, that way, you know, like it's in between two hot things and then the cheese will melt. Drizzled a little bit of Mexican cream on top, some queso fresco, and then I added the veggies. For the friend who doesn't like veggies, well, you will today. You'll eventually learn to love them. Added some sliced up tomatoes, onions, some jalapenos, and some lettuce. On the top bun, I spread it with lots of avocado, and then I just wrap them up in some parchment paper, and then I split it in half for them. Oh my gosh, but their torta is gonna be so soggy by the time they eat it for lunch. Well, sometimes the parchment paper helps avoid that. If you're hungry, a little sogginess on the torta is not gonna hurt. My mama always says, con hambre hasta las piedras son buenas, which means ain't nobody got time for you pickiness here, okay? I'm also gonna add little containers of some salsa, and then I pack everything up in this little lunch pal. I'm also thinking about getting those little containers that heat up your food. That way I can pack him other types of foods. I just get everything ready and he takes in the morning to school. Bye!